Hey guys, today we'll be making mukusu. Mukusu is moro that has been dried. It has been cooked before, then they dried it, then they kept it. So now I still have to cook it again, just that it won't take too much time because it has already been cooked and salt has already been added, but they added average salt. So now when I cook it and feel like the salt that is in there is not enough, I will add some salt, but then not too much salt as there is already salt in it. We dry this moro during our summer season and we keep it for the other season, and we are able to eat it in the other season. So I'll be showing you on how do we cook it, and first I will show you the ingredients that we use to cook muro wa mkusu. We just only need cooking oil, salt and tomato because everything it's already been done in it. So I'll be showing you the ingredients now. These are the ingredients on how to make the mukusu. This is our mukusu. I'm now done cooking it. This is our mukusu. You can see it. We eat this with our fine pap, the one you guys call it porridge. We eat it with it. It's so nice when eating with it, and you can also add acha if you like, because they go hand in hand with acha. So thank you guys. This is our mukusu. So I'm gonna enjoy it now. Thank you.